First product. Braun Series 790 cubic centimeters electric foil shaver with clean and charge station. Intelligent sonic technology, 10,000 micro vibrations for Braun's most thorough and comfortable shave. Cordless trimmer, patented active lift captures flat-lying hair in problem areas. Unique oscillating middle trimmer lifts and cuts flat-lying hair. 100% waterproof and fully washable. Full charge in only 1 hour for 50 minutes of cordless shaving, and comes with cleaning brush, travel pouch, main unit, charging cord and lubricant oil. Second product. Garadget Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Controller. Control existing garage door with free iOS/Android app, Alexa, Google Home, IFTTT and home automation. USA servers. Convenience. Remotely control and monitor your garage doors from your iOS, Android smartphone, web browser, popular home automation systems and other devices. Multiple units can be controller from within a single account. The account can be accessed from multiple devices. Peace of mind. Receive notification when you forgot to close the garage door on departure, or when it remained open for too long, or when it opens at an unusual time. Check the door status from anywhere anytime and see the time since the last event. Other automation such as opening on approach configured via free IFTTT channel. Compatibility. Garadget can be easily added to most of the existing and new garage door installations, with few exceptions that require a workaround, notably Security Plus 2.0 openers with yellow Learn button. Additionally to smartphones, tables and computers, Garadget can be controlled from the growing list of home automation systems, voice control systems, smart watches and integration services. Simple install. With its innovative laser sensor, Garadget installs in minutes. No long wiring, no intricate mechanical builds. Tools and materials are provided in the kit. The support resources include illustrated setup instructions, videos, troubleshooting guide, and a friendly responsive online community. Security and trust. To ensure the security of the largest door in your house, Garadget relies on the advanced encryption and authentication protocols similar to that used for banking transactions. Systems open source facilitates independent audit. Third product. TIROL Window Clean Windshield Microfiber Fabric Adjustable Triangular Shape Car Cleaning Brush. Lengthen black handle, extendable 28 to 47 centimeters in total, car clean tool. 180-degree swiveled handle for comfortable working, triangular shape cleans also corners. Extendable of 28 to 47 centimeters in total, ergonomic handle with pivoting head enables you to reach the whole of your windscreen with ease. Microfiber cloth enables you to clean your windscreen using just plain tap water. Dirt and dust from your window cling to the cloth, giving you bright, clean windows every time. Also ideal for demissing your windscreen in winter, no need to wait for your vehicle warm up. Fourth product. MoniMoto Smart Motorcycle GPS Tracker and Alarm suitable for scooters, quad bike ATVs, snowmobiles. DIY installation, no wiring required. Quick setup, install it yourself in 10 minutes. Batteries and SIM card included. First 2 months of GSM service is free. Later $3.50 per month. No wiring, it will never discharge your bike's battery, no installation cost. No wires difficult to find for thieves. Battery powered 12 months battery life. Replace batteries once in a year. Fifth product. Smart communications cycling helmets. Built-in speakers and mic enable you to listen to your music and your surroundings. Group intercom allows you to communicate with up to 3 other riders. Bluetooth connectivity pairs to your smartphone, so you can access features on the go.